How to create halftone brush. Select any brush as your base. Go to Texture Settings and click on the top menu. From there, go to Legacy Patterns and More. It will be under Web Patterns. You can do halftones with any design if you want. Just play around with the settings to get familiar with them. You can use the scale to make the dots bigger. From the top menu, you can change the pattern. You can also use your own custom pattern to make halftone brushes. In order to save your brush, go to Brush Settings. Click on the 3 horizontal lines you see on the top right-hand corner and choose New Brush Present. Give the brush a name, and there you have your own brush you can go back to over and over. How to create halftone pattern. Here we will be using dots for our halftone pattern. Take any brush, go to Brush Settings, and play around with the spacing. From there, hold down the Shift key and draw a line of dots. Repeat this until you have the whole page filled. Once that is done, go to the top menu, go to Edit, and scroll down until you find Define Pattern. Here, you will give the pattern a name, and there you have it. Now you have your own custom pattern. So now, go to Texture Settings, click on the top menu, and now choose your custom pattern to use. Play around with the texture settings, but there you have it. Your own custom brush used with your own custom pattern. Enjoy!